Hi guys, I'm Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about how I shave my face. So I know this can be a little bit scary for the people who doesn't shave their face, but this was very unneeded thing when I was pregnant to my girl. I don't know why, but I just had a lot of hair face when I was pregnant, like crazy, a lot. So I discovered this technique like a few years ago, because first I was putting like this wax strip on my mustache, but my skin just burned so bad and it was so painful, and I looked crazy like 2, 3, 4 days maybe, like very dry and super hurtful, like red and everything. So before to jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Also don't forget to follow me on my social media, and without further ado, let's jump into this. So no, I don't shave my face with something like this. No, this was just for the thumbnail and a little bit of a viral kind of look. I shave my face with these kind of stuff, so you can buy these on Amazon. So they came in a pack, like maybe 6-10 per pack. It's not super expensive, and you can reuse those like 3-4 times maybe. So like I said in my intro, I discovered this like a few years ago, and I very love how it looks. I do this like maybe once in 2 weeks, something like this. I do this when I see myself in a mirror super close and I can see hair everywhere. So first thing first, not in that direction, you had to be in this direction. So me, where I have the most hair is right here a little bit, right there, and on my mustache, my beautiful mustache, and I had few also on my neck. So like every girl in the world, I don't like to have hair in my face, obviously, so I just shave them. So first you need to like pull the skin and just like this. And look, like it's so disgusting. You need to be very gentle. Just don't go super harsh on your skin, because otherwise you're gonna burn a little bit your skin. And I just and be careful where your hair are and your brows, to not just shave them all. And for the people who ask, are your hair growing a lot darker and more hard? I don't know. The answer is no. I don't see any difference since the first time I do this. Just when you go around your brows, just keep your hands on a table or something like this to just not go and took off all your brows. So I really love to do this technique too, because my makeup application looks a little bit more flawless because the foundation doesn't stick to the hair everywhere. And like I said, when I was pregnant with my little girl, my hair became a little bit more like hair than a duvet, you know. It was pretty much dark and there, so I wasn't loving it. And yeah, so this technique is super simple, easy to do at home. It doesn't take a lot of time, like maybe 15 minutes. Just take your time when you do this the first time, because you don't want to hurt yourself. So go little by little and very light. And sometimes I will only do my mustache and just leave the rest and do this maybe once a month. But my mustache grew pretty much quickly, so I need to do that pretty often. Yeah, it's freaking like shameful, this mustache. But it is what it is. I have it and I had to live with it, so I just shave them with this tool. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. A lot of people wanted to see how I shave my face, so it is only like this. I don't have anything else to say besides I love you guys, and I will see you soon.